Hello everyone, my name is Priyanka and I welcome you all to my session. So let's study a question. It says that define refractive index of a transparent medium and then a ray of light passes through a prism. Plot a graph showing the variation of the angle of deviation with the angle of incidence. Alright, so what is refractive index? A refractive index is the ratio of velocity of light in vacuum to the velocity of light in medium. So we define refractive index by the letter mu, which is equal to the velocity of light in vacuum Vc upon the velocity of light in a medium. So that's just a formal definition of refractive index. Let's go to the next part. It says that when a light is passing through a prism, we have to plot a graph between the angle of incidence and the angle of deviation. So whenever we are going to plot a graph, we need two axes. So here are the two axes. All right. Okay. So one is the x and the other is y. So let us say our x-axis to be angle of incidence, and our y-axis to be angle of deviation. So when we are going to plot a graph, the graph is going to be something like this. It's kind of a U-shaped graph. So here, let this angle of deviation, it is equal to delta m, and this is delta. So this is going to be I1, this is I2, and here is I. That means we can say that for two different angle of incidence, we are going to get one angle of deviation. So here we can see that the angle of incidence is increasing. However, the angle of deviation is decreasing. Then it is going to reach a minimum value delta m, and then further the angle of deviation starts to increase. So this is how we are going to analyze this graph. So thank you so much for your time. Have a great day. Bye bye.